Welcome to Wellbeing World. If you're passionate about living your best, healthiest life, hit that subscribe button now. In today's video, we're sharing the top 10 essential tips for a healthier life. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Balanced diet. Maintain a balanced diet. Eating a variety of foods ensures you get all the necessary nutrients. Focus on incorporating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your daily meals. Tip 2. Regular exercise. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is crucial for overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This can include walking, jogging, cycling, or even dancing. Tip 3. Hydration. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for nearly every bodily function. Make it a habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Remember, hydration is key to maintaining energy levels and overall health. Tip 4. Quality sleep. Prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Good sleep is vital for mental and physical health. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and keep your sleep environment comfortable. Tip 5. Mental health. Take care of your mental health. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to reduce stress. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Mental well-being is just as important as physical health. Tip 6. Regular checkups. Schedule regular checkups. Preventive care is essential for early detection and management of health issues. Regular visits to your healthcare provider can help you stay on top of your health. Tip 7. Stress management. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can have adverse effects on your health. Engage in activities you enjoy, practice relaxation techniques, and maintain a positive outlook. Tip 8. Healthy relationships. Cultivate healthy relationships. Strong social connections improve mental and emotional well-being. Spend time with loved ones, build supportive networks, and communicate openly. Tip 9. Avoiding harmful habits. Avoid harmful habits. Say no to smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and drug use. These habits can significantly harm your health. Seek support if you're struggling to quit. Tip 10. Lifelong learning. Commit to lifelong learning. Stay informed about health and wellness. Continuously educate yourself through reliable sources and keep up with the latest health trends and research. And there you have it, our top 10 essential tips for a healthier life. Start incorporating these habits into your daily routine and watch your overall well-being improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wellbeing World for more health tips and information. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.